Renewable energy, powering a sustainable future. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy is energy that is obtained from natural sources that can be renewed naturally, such as the sun, wind, water, biomass, and geothermal energy. Unlike fossil fuels, renewable energy will never run out and has a lower environmental impact. Types of renewable energy. There are several types of renewable energy, including solar power, wind power, hydropower, biomass energy, and geothermal energy. Each has its own unique way of generating electricity without significant carbon emissions. Solar energy. Solar power uses photovoltaic panels to convert sunlight into electricity. Solar power is one of the most widespread renewable energy sources, and has great potential in many parts of the world, especially in tropical areas. Wind energy. Wind energy is generated by wind turbines, which convert the kinetic energy of the wind into electricity. Wind is a very efficient energy source and is already widely used in countries such as Denmark and Germany. Hydropower. Hydropower uses flowing water to drive turbines that generate electricity. Hydropower is one of the oldest renewable energy sources and is still a major source of energy in many countries. Biomass energy. Biomass energy comes from organic materials such as wood, agricultural waste, and garbage. This energy can be converted into electricity, heat, or liquid fuels through combustion or biochemical conversion. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy harnesses the heat from within the earth to generate electricity or heat. It is a stable and reliable source of energy, especially in areas with high geothermal activity. Benefits of renewable energy. Renewable energy has many benefits, including reducing greenhouse gas emissions, diversifying energy sources, and increasing energy security. Renewable energy is the key to a sustainable future. By adopting this technology, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and protect the environment for future generations. Slay the grade, limitless learning, Gen Z to Gen Alpha and beyond. Thank you for watching.